Welcome to Chat with Hey. Before you continue with this video, I would like you to subscribe, to follow, to share, and to comment on this video. Today, we look at the topic where to save with small money as a beginner. When you have some few Ghana cedis, where do you save or where do you invest as a beginner with small capital? There are three things I would like you to consider to be able to decide what to do by way of investment with the small money you have as a beginner. First of all, you must begin to look at low risk options. Don't start immediately by sinking the small savings you have been able to gather into high risk instruments or businesses that you can lose your money immediately. The first thing you do is to look at low risk instruments such as treasury bill, savings product, other mutual fund assets that you can put your money into. Remember, as a beginner with the small capital, your focus should be capital preservation and gradual growth in income. So don't risk quickly into high risk assets. Go low risk from the beginning. The second thing you do is that you start small but be consistent. Start small but be consistent. So the little you have, you build character with it. Invest the little you have. When you get return, invest again. Always accumulate and top up the returns you get. Don't get return and start consuming the returns. Always reinvest the returns you make into the original capital and let it grow in cycle. Be consistent at the investment, and over time you are going to build a huge capital that you can diversify the source of income. So for instance, you buy treasury bill and maybe 6-month treasury bill or the 1-year treasury bill or the 3-month treasury bill. The returns that you get on it, reinvest it and add it to the original capital. When it grows over time and you get more money, you can leave, let's say 70% of that money still in treasury bill and start a small business by buying something and selling it with the margin with that 30% of the rest of the money. What that does is that you are applying the principle of addition. As you grow that one with a small business, as it grows, you buy another asset. For instance, you go and get Uber, a vehicle, Uber on credit. And once you use that one, it also brings another stream of income. As you grow gradually, you'll be able to build a momentum where you'll be able to get wealth. I'm going to teach you something later on in one of the videos I'm going to make on how to increase wealth through multiplication. But now we are dealing with addition. The last point you must focus on in starting slow and small as a beginner is to focus on learning first. Don't rush. Remember, there's always the risk of losing everything, whatever you do. So your focus should be on investing slow and small to learn the rudiment of the trade or the instrument you are putting your money in. Don't be deceived by all these Ponzi schemes that promise you big returns immediately within a short possible time. Remember, wealth is built over time and through consistency. So don't be in a rush to lose the little capital you have. Look at low risk instruments, build the principle of addition over time, and focus on learning the rudiment of the instrument you put your money in. Because next time, when your money had grown, you will get big returns and prosper through wealth creation. I hope this video has helped you, and I pray that you start little but consistent into wealth creation. In our next video, we are going to look at what is the talk of town of late: real estate. Real estate. And I'm going to help you decipher or decide whether real estate is a good investment in Ghana or in Africa. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.